Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up to TCF Bank online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for TCF Bank, then click on that bubble that pops up. As you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on banking, then under savings and CDs we're going to click on compare savings accounts and apply. So we're going to explore saving accounts. You guys could choose either of the three. So once you're sure, you're going to click on apply now. So next we're going to fill out this. We should fill them out depending on our situation. Then as you can see the requirements, you must be 18 or older, you have to have a social security number, you have to be a US citizen, as well as you need a government issued ID. Then you're going to write your personal details here. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue. Then here it's going to be about your address. So you need to fill it out thoroughly. Make sure each of it is correct. Then again, you're going to insert your phone number, your social security number, your date of birth, and make sure you're a US citizen. Then click on continue. So after that, they're going to ask you some follow-up questions. You're going to insert that. Then you're going to open the account. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.